Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your emails in bulk in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I'm opening this Gmail shortcut in my Chrome. After opening the Gmail on your computer, you'll see all of your emails here. You just simply have to select all the emails that you want to bulk delete. After selecting the emails that you want to delete in bulk, you can see this delete button at the top. Just simply click on the delete button. Then, it will be moved into your recycle bin. And now, if you want to delete it permanently, you just simply have to select all the emails again and now click on this Delete Forever button. By following these very easy steps, you can easily delete your emails in bulk using Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.